turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have some friend mail from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk. And then I also wanted to talk about some of the subscription boxes that I've decided to cancel. Some I already have canceled. And I'm just going to explain why I decided to cancel those subscription boxes because, yeah, I think some of you guys that are here for those might wonder where they're at. So this will explain why if you actually watch this video. All right, guys, without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so I stopped by my P.O. box today after I took my sign-to-speech therapy, and to my surprise and delight, there was a couple of pieces of friend mail from Jean, and again, her channel is called Jean's Junk. Love watching Jean. If you guys haven't checked her out, please make sure that you do that right after you're done watching this video. So we'll start. There's two. We'll go ahead and start with the smaller of the two. This has like some, I don't know, what is that called? Like pennants? It looks like she drew that. Check that out, guys. Talk about some skills. And it says on the back here, "You're flamazing." That is super cute. I really don't want to rip the flamazing. Let's see if I can do this without doing that. I'm dangerous with this thing too, guys. I'm just saying. I mean, I'm a crafter, but I'm a dangerous crafter. Can't tell you how many times I hurt myself when I'm opening things and doing stuff. So I probably should have opened this first and didn't put you guys through this pain and misery. Okay, so Jean is famous for scaring the crap out of me, and I feel a little something something in here, so I'm going to be prepared to be scared. I'm a rhymer. All right, look at how pretty this card is. Oh, that is lovely. With the flowers and the American flag stuff. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Ooh, it's already starting. Okay, here we go. Oh, I was ready to be exploded. She's got some little confettis in here, but nothing exploded. It says, "Hey peep, just wanted to say hello and wish you a very flamazing summer. Just mean Jean." Oh, that's awesome. "Hey Amber, your channel and friendship is amazing. Thank you for entertaining us." Aw, you're welcome, Jean. I just love you. You're so cute. And she gave me this illuminating holographic peel-off mask. You know how she doesn't like peel-off mask? And you know what? I accidentally, and I do truly mean, I accidentally sent her a peel-off mask in one of my latest friend mail. I meant to send her the mud mask and or the gel mask, but the gel mask looked very similar to the peel-off one, so I know I accidentally stuck the peel-off one in her bag. Sorry about that, Jean. I definitely knew you weren't a fan of those, and I did not intend to send you one. So when I found out that I did, I was pretty bummed. I'm not going to lie. Well, thank you very much for the beautiful card, Jean. I love the card. And now is the time to put a card like this out because it's Memorial Day and 4th of July and stuff. Love it. So then I got this one. What? Look at that, guys. Love the sticker on the front. How cute is that? And then on, oh, and she has also a Jesus fish right there. And then on the back it says, "Thank you." Well, that's cute. And can I just tell you, it came from the post office like this. Isn't that crap, guys? Like, how do they mess that up? I'm just saying. So, I mean, it's already somewhat opened. I hope nothing fell out of it, Jean. Oh, our postal service, guys. I'm just saying. All right. Let's open this up here. Maybe. Oh, my goodness. Okay, here we go. Okay. It looks like this when I take it out, just so you guys know. All right, we're going to put that there. It says, "Amber, you have been amazing to me, and I want you to know how much I appreciate you. Thank you." Aw. Oh, it says, "Thank you. Your support of my channel is so amazing, and I appreciate you. Just me, Jean." Oh, I love her little cards. Look at that, guys. That is super, super cute. And then her little note on the back. See, she has fabulous handwriting. My handwriting is so terrible, guys. It's always been. This is super cute. It's like a, what do you call that? Where you cut it out with like, what are those machines called? Because I have like 2 of them. What are those machines called? Don't tell me. Where you scan and cut and all that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. Anyways, I literally have about 2 of those machines. I just don't use them very often. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, wow. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, thank you, Jean. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Some things are falling, and it's confetti. Oh my gosh, look. So, all right, check it out. This is how it was. And then you open it up, and ba-bam! Oh, look at that! That is so pretty! I love cards like this, guys. They are so fun. Oh, thank you, Jean. That is so sweet. And then she had this amazing flamingo sticker that happens to be purple with the pink. I will definitely find a wonderful place to put that because I love purple. I like pink too. My nieces, one is a purple fan, one's a pink fan, and I always have to tell them I like pink too, but purple's my favorite. Shh, don't tell them. So nonetheless, Jean, thank you. This makes my day. Just to know that someone's thinking about you and somebody appreciates the things that you do, it really just makes a difference. Thank you so much, Jean. I really appreciate that. You taking the time to send these lovely cards to me, that just made my day. It really did. I was already having a good day because my son got back from speech therapy today and it went very well. I'll cover that in another video, but nonetheless, this really made my day, so. At any rate, let's go ahead and jump into talking about the subscription boxes that I decided to cancel. So listen, guys, I like the Luxury Divas subscription box. I do. And you know what? I get excited when I open it. I love the things they send. The only problem is I find that I'm not wearing the things that they're sending to me or not using the things that they're sending to me. And a lot of it, I found that I just gave it away to like my nieces or whatever, or, you know, a family member that wanted it. So I started thinking to myself, why do you keep getting it? I mean, if I'm not wearing the stuff and I'm giving most of it away, what is the purpose of me continuing to get that subscription box? So I did decide to cancel the Luxury Divas, so I will no longer have that one on my channel. I don't know if I'll ever start that one back up again. I think it's a great box. I really do. And I liked a lot of the stuff that they put in the box, but I just didn't like everything. And in my opinion, if I don't like 50% or more of what I'm getting in the box, what is the purpose of getting it, right? So I did cancel Luxury Divas. Next up that I did decide to cancel, and this was a while ago, was the Birchbox. I got like one Birchbox, and I think I subscribed for like maybe a couple months, pre-subscribed or whatever, 3 months I think it was, and I just wasn't that impressed with that one. I mean, the samples are super, super small. And they were sending me a lot of things that I just wouldn't use. So I'm just really not a fan of that one. So I did cancel that one as well. And one that is on my list, I know that this might surprise a lot of people because I do love, love, love this box. And I still encourage people, especially if you have kids, to get this box. But it's Grandma in a Box. I do think I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one. And the only reason that I'm going to cancel it is because I never eat the cookies. I don't. Isn't that terrible? Like, I do all this decorating for the cookies and everything and the treats, and then they just sit in my kitchen until next month's box comes, and then I throw them out. That's the truth. I'm just saying, I'm going to eat a couple of the cookies, but now that they're giving more cookies in the box, and I already wasn't eating the 6 cookies they gave me, I'm like, I might have to cancel that one, guys, or maybe at least skip every other month or something like that. See if I can do that, because I find myself wasting the stuff, and I really don't want to do that, you know. So I'm probably going to end up getting this month, and then I'm going to cancel, and I might pick it up back up for like Christmas or something like that. I don't know, but I just don't see the point in getting it if I'm not eating the stuff, right? I love showing it to you guys. I love decorating the cookies. All that is super fun. But if I'm not eating this stuff, what is the point, right? So that's another one that I probably am most likely going to cancel. So what that's going to do for me, because I'm such a mystery box junkie, I decided to take the savings from the subscription boxes that I canceled, and instead of picking up more subscription boxes, I'm going to get more mystery boxes, because I found a couple of companies that I am loving these, not subscription boxes, mystery boxes, and I want to keep getting them. I mean, they're that good to me anyways. You guys might not think so. You're going to see me unbox one this Sunday from one of the companies, and actually one on Thursday from one of the companies, and I'm really pleased with these boxes, so I want to keep getting those ones instead of these subscription boxes that I'm just not using a lot of the stuff. So I'd rather put the money towards getting those mystery boxes once or twice a month. There are more pricier ones. They're $100, but to me, they're worth every single penny. I am so excited about them. I can't wait for you guys to see actually Thursdays or Sundays videos, because I thought the boxes were that good. Just saying. All right. Nonetheless, those are the subscription boxes that I decided to cancel. And a huge shout out to Jean from Jean's Junk for sending me these awesome cards and totally making my day. You really, truly did. I just love watching Jean. She's so funny. So if you guys haven't checked her out, make sure that you do that after you're done watching this video. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And I'm also just going to throw in, since it is Whatever Wednesday, I can do whatever. I'm just going to throw in some what? What? Wow. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Hold on. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I'm going to share with you some friend mail from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk. Was that weird? Friend mail. Friend mail. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I went to my P.O. box today. That sounded so weird. Let's try it again. So that's another one that I probably am most likely going to cancel. So what that's going to do for me, because I am such a subscription box junkie. No, not subscription box. I'm going to take this out.